Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the WLIVE 9 drawer dresser, a versatile fabric storage tower perfect for organizing your bedroom, hallway, nursery, or closet. This multifunctional tower is designed to keep clutter under control, seamlessly matching with other WLIVE storage solutions. With 9 spacious, foldable drawers, you'll have endless organizational possibilities, while the wooden top provides a convenient surface for lamps, clocks, and other essentials. Built with a strong steel frame and a water-resistant wood top, this dresser offers stable support and durability for years of use, and its adjustable plastic feet protect your floors from scratches, even on uneven ground. Safety is a priority with anti-tipping accessories included, making it suitable for teens and adults alike, and the breathable, non-woven fabric ensures a harmless storage solution. Measuring 39.4 inches in length, 11.8 inches in width, and 39.5 inches in height, this dresser is easy to assemble with the provided instructions and hardware. Transform your space with the WLIVE 9 drawer dresser, combining style, functionality, and safety in one elegant package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.